career mo. So, kamusta yung pressure na knowing that the music industry is very big?
Wow, the pressure is real. Pero, ano tawag dito? Like, on my part kasi, baguhan ako. So, hindi ko alam kung kaano or how will I go on sa industry. Pero I'm just so grateful having these amazing people with me who's been fueling me and boosting my confidence na magpatuloy. Kaya doon ako din umubod sa kanila, sa sarili ko, sa family ko, and also to those people na, you know, strangers na sa akin but they're family because they believe in me and I'm so grateful to have them.
So you mentioned na mga nag-boost ng confidence mo. Sino ba yan? Yan ba yung mga nagpapa-inspire sa songs or the way you perform? Kung paano yung bigay todo yung mag-perform mo, you know? Kanila mo ba ibinabahagi yung performance?
Yes, syempre sa kanila. These people, sige, I'll mention a few, sina Sir Sam Salva, Sir Vistisa Del Valle, Tito Roger Flores, so that's really good. Marami pang iba actually. And kung isipin mo, ang dami na pero konti lang sila. But I'm just so happy na genuinely they're supporting me. Kasi nga, galing ako sa probinsya, wala akong background sa music industry. Actually, I'm a decadent. Galing ako sa Bato, pa ako. And then sumali ako sa It's Showtime, and ako nakilala ni Sir Sam Salva. And then, ayun, Miss Lisa and Sir Sam Salva helped me to create our first single, Ganito Ba Dapat, na nag-Spotify ngayon. And yeah, the rest is history. Kaya dito ako ngayon, it's because of them amazing people talaga. God sent people.
For my last question, what made you push to this career? Meron ka bang gusto ipanglaban?
That's a beautiful question actually. It's a dream actually. A dream na I thought di ko magagawa. Kasi nga, nagbarko ako. So, umigil ako. Pero ginagawa ko siya, yung art sa school lang. Pero umigil ko siya, nasabi ko, baka hanggang doon na lang ako. So, baka iba yung para sa akin. Pero, may mga nagbubukas na opportunity. Kaya, I'm grabbing everything and I'm doing everything na makakaya ko. And yun, doon na talaga ako gumugugot na sumayon sa mga binibigay, sa mga naniniwala sa akin. And kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo na naniniwala sa akin. Kaya sa inyo, pagbubutihin ko pa and I'll grow to become not just, you know, the best version of myself, but as an entertainer na magbibigay sa inyo ng inspirasyon and happiness sa inyong buhay.
Yeah. So, recently, may na-release kang song. So, brief mo kami, ito kung saan ba yan?
Oh, yes. Unang ganda ko, pero masakit na siya actually. Kasi it's my first Tagalog song na sulat. Kaya, kasi more on hiligay nun ako sa Tagalog pa. So, hiligay ng music yung sinusulat ko. Pero, kasi first ko siya, so siya yung ako nilabas na Tagalog. Kasi nga, nasa Manila ako ngayon. So, yeah, it's a breakup song. It's about self-reflecting after a breakup. Parang nakakadam mo yung sarili mo, ano yung mali sa akin, saan ako nagkulat, tapos minibig mo si God, minibig mo yung sarili mo na bakit ito yung nangyari sa akin, especially na you're so new sa love, tapos ito yung pinaramdam sa'yo. So parang feeling mo yung pagmamahal, ang sakit. Pero it's also about embracing that pain into becoming, a better version of who you are, into rising up from that situation na okay lang masaktan, pero rise up from that because there's someone who will love you better and you really deserve.
Okay, last na message dyan sa mga fans mo.
Sa pamilya na lang. To those people who believe in me, maraming salamat. My message po is pagpatuloy lang yung pangarap and just keep on moving forward. Kasi there will be times na ma-reject tayo, we will fail in life, but always remember na may redirection, always remember na may plans of God. It's about how you set your mind, and it's about finding the right people na tutulong sa inyo. And also the right time for you para mag-grow ka as an individual and becoming that best version of who you are, showing what you can do for the world, your potential to the world. So just believe in your dreams and in yourself. Let's go.